It's good.
Start.
I'm Prosper Umwizerwa. I'm the managing director of a quality engineering company back in Kigali, Rwanda, what we call country of Southern Hills. Now China. I'm with Mr.
Very.
Mary.
Yeah.
Is our boss. He's the boss of Bao. Bao is the manufacturer of big machines. I will be representing them in Africa, but it's an opportunity, it's a privilege to be represented for such a big company. Yeah, ours is big too, but we are the biggest. Here we were visiting machines. This is for bending the tubes. It's well known on the market, and that one, this big machine, is going to that one is going to Europe. This one is going to Europe. The biggest one over there is going to Egypt. Those are some other machines here. That is a laser cutting machine. It works very well, and it's going to Rwanda in Africa. There's a cutting machine, rolling machine. We have many machines, any kind of machine you want, it's provided. It's a very good guarantee. You will never have a problem with those machines. I have used them. We are using them. Myself, I'm taking them to Kigali, Rwanda, and a living testimony of the quality they are delivering. Please work with them. You will never regret it. Our number, you can contact me on +2507885095504, and he can give you his number so that whenever you want, you can contact him.
Yes, he is our representative in Africa. So if you guys want to buy machines, can connect with him. He's a very nice guy.
Thank you.